Imagine a world ruled by giants, a time when colossal beings roamed the earth, their thunderous footsteps shaking the very ground. For over 150 million years, they were the undisputed masters of this planet, a dynasty of titans that dominated every continent and ocean. This wasn't just a lost world, it was their world, a realm of primeval power and breathtaking scale that existed long before the first human ever walked the earth. We are journeying back in time, to an age of titans, to the era of the dinosaurs. Our journey takes us deep into the Jurassic period, a time of immense geological and biological transformation. The supercontinent of Pangaea was breaking apart, creating new oceans and coastlines. The climate was warm and humid, fostering the growth of vast, lush forests teeming with life. Towering ferns, cycads, and conifers formed a dense canopy, creating a verdant labyrinth where life thrived in myriad forms. Active volcanoes relentlessly reshaped the landscape, their fiery eruptions spewing ash and lava, while wide meandering rivers carved through the valleys, providing vital arteries of water for the incredible ecosystems that flourished along their banks. This was a world both beautiful and brutal, a dynamic stage set for the greatest drama life had ever produced. In this prehistoric theater, survival was a daily spectacle of strategy and strength. Witness the Tyrannosaurus Rex, the tyrant lizard king, a creature of pure predatory perfection. With a bone-crushing bite force, it hunted with terrifying efficiency, its massive form casting a shadow of death over its prey. Elsewhere in the dense undergrowth, a pack of Velociraptors demonstrates a different kind of lethality. Small, agile, and armed with a formidable sickle-shaped claw on each foot, they were intelligent pack hunters, coordinating their attacks with chilling precision to take down much larger animals. And near the water's edge, the colossal Spinosaurus, with its distinctive sail-like fin, patrolled the river systems. A semi-aquatic hunter, perfectly adapted to snagging giant fish from the murky depths. The sheer scale of these creatures defies modern comprehension. Let's look closer at the details that made them so formidable. A single tooth of a T-Rex could be as long as a banana, serrated like a steak knife to tear through flesh and bone. The Velociraptor, despite its smaller size, was a blur of motion, capable of incredible bursts of speed. A feathered predator that moved with the swiftness of a striking snake. When we visualize these animals, we must remember their true size. A Brachiosaurus could peer over a 5-story building, its heart alone weighing hundreds of pounds. These weren't just animals. They were living, breathing mountains of muscle and bone, the largest land animals our world has ever known. Yet their story doesn't end with extinction. In one of nature's most remarkable evolutionary tales, their legacy lives on. Watch closely as the form of a small, feathered dinosaur begins to change. Over millions of years, its snout shortens, its bones become lighter and hollow, and its feathered arms transform into powerful wings capable of flight. This incredible metamorphosis reveals a stunning truth. The birds we see every day, from the pigeon on the street to the eagle soaring in the sky, are the direct descendants of these ancient reptiles. Every chirp and flutter is a living echo of the dinosaur age. As our journey concludes, we look out upon a final, breathtaking scene. The sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm, golden glow over the prehistoric landscape. The silhouettes of colossal herbivores move gracefully across the plains, while the distant roar of a predator signals the beginning of the nightly hunt. This world may be gone, lost to the sands of time, but its grandeur and its inhabitants will forever capture our imagination. The age of dinosaurs has passed, but their epic story is written into the very fabric of our planet, a timeless saga of life, power, and legacy.